Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate a Roth IRA plan with Betterment, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate a Roth IRA plan with Betterment, start by visiting the Betterment website at www.betterment.com. Once on the homepage, locate the Get Started button and click on it. You'll be prompted to create an account. Input your email address and choose a secure password. Next, click on Continue to proceed. You will be asked to provide some personal information. Fill in your name, address, and date of birth accurately. Make sure to provide your social security number for identification. After entering your details, read through the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance and click Continue. Now, Betterment will ask about your financial goals. Select the option that best describes your retirement savings objectives. You will then need to answer a few questions regarding your investment preferences. These questions help Betterment tailor your account to fit your needs. Once you complete this section, you will move on to the funding phase. Choose Open a Roth IRA from the account options presented. Next, decide how much money you'd like to start with. You can link your bank account for easy funding. Enter your banking information securely. After confirming your bank details, review the contribution options. Decide whether you want to make a one-time deposit or set up recurring transfers. When you are satisfied with your choices, proceed to review your account. Double-check all your information for accuracy. If everything looks good, click on the Submit button. Congratulations, you have successfully activated your Roth IRA with Betterment. You will receive a confirmation email with further details about your account. Log into your Betterment account to start managing your investments. Explore the platform to familiarize yourself with the tools available for your Roth IRA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.